All right, so for this Blender video series, it's Blender texturing and modeling. Um, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a 2D sketch, both the front and side view, um, export that into Blender. Um, well, yeah, import that into Blender as your reference images. Use that to model a 3D figure, and then create a UV unwrap and texture paint it so we can make it look all really nice for a rendering. So this video series, it's gonna be that workflow. And the first thing we're gonna do is create the 2D sketches. Just to let you know, you don't have to use Procreate. I'm gonna use Procreate because that's part of my workflow. It's a lot easier. If you want, you can use pen and paper, GIMP, Inkscape, pretty much anything that can export like a PNG. I'm gonna import PNGs because that's pretty good quality. JPEGs work. It's just really up to you. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your 2D sketches, the front and side view, and then the next video, it's gonna be setting up Blender and making sure we have certain add-ons that'll make your 3D modeling for the figure a lot faster, a lot easier. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So if you already know Procreate, great. If not, what we're gonna do is create a 600 by 600 pixel canvas, and then go to canvas, drawing guide, turn that on, go to edit drawing, select symmetry. This will be our center point. Click any of these colors, it's really up to you, and then enter. All right, so then let's create our figure. I don't know why there's so many vehicles outside, but anyway, we're gonna use what we already have here. So technical pen from the inking side for drawing. All right, and then like this color for the outer for the cat. We're gonna do a 2D sketch of a cat, the front and side. So, and it's not gonna look like a normal cat. It's gonna be like a humanoid kind of version type. So just to let you know. So don't forget to put in drawing assist. Remember, the shape doesn't have to be whatever you see. You can, what do you call it, make it a little different. All right, so ears, the nose, boop, the mouth, the little whiskers right here, then the eyes like that. And I guess eyebrows if you like. Okay. Like this. And then some, I guess, features. We get the head. Now let's do the body. We're gonna do the arms. No thumbs, just 4 fingers. Okay, then the legs. Right. And that would be our front view. We're gonna add some clothes to it, but this is like the body that we're gonna build first before we add clothes and stuff like that. So, and this will be our front view. All right, let's now create some clothes on top of this. So something a little dark. we can give it like a little vest if you like. Oh, don't forget the drawing assist. Right. Yeah. Okay. Little vest. Let's see, silver pockets. Or buttons, I guess. And then we can add some pants to this cat, which would be blue pants, green pants. Let's do like a purplish pants. All right. And before I forget, yes, it is a boy. Okay, great again. Add some pockets here. No belt. And then we can add some shoes if you like, but we're gonna leave it like this. He's gonna be barefoot. We're trying to not complicate things for now. In other video sessions, we're gonna do more 3D models, 2D sketches to 3D models, and we'll add other accessories and stuff like that. But for now, we're just gonna leave it like this. All right, go back to the body, take this off. We're gonna give it a fur color like this one, a little lighter, maybe, yeah. And color it. Oh. Okay, cool. Right then, let's give it some green eyes. Black nose. White whiskers. Grayish white whiskers. Like some dark brown and a little bit of white hair on the ears. Okay, so that's our figure. We could add some like stripes to this if you'd like. It's really up to you, but we're gonna leave it like this. All right, and then we got our clothes. All right, and this will be our group flat. Actually, don't flatten it yet. This will be our front view. Now we're gonna create our side view. For that, we need our body layer visible but lowered opacity, and that turned on. So now we're gonna select the color we use, something like that, I think, and we're gonna do a side view. So try to line things up so where the ears are here. So the nose, that's the back of the head. Right. Where the eye is, where the eyebrows is, little whiskers. It's not gonna be perfect, but that's all right. And then we're gonna make the belly, it's gonna be pretty big. This is his back. This is gonna be his leg. We can leave like that, yeah. And then the arms. And remember, 4 fingers, nothing more. Okay, and there we are. We don't really have to color this because we already have our color sequence kind of already checked out on the other side. All right, and then take this out. Yeah, so that'll be our side. I know it's not perfect, but it will do. I guess we can, yeah, add the color, make things easier for us, at least so we can see it when we're using in Blender. All right, so there's our front side and our side view. So side cat view. Turn it off. Both of these are on. Turn the opacity back to this. Flatten. Rename. Front cat. All right. And as you already know, you can use whatever software to make these front and side views. Just try to make it 600 by 600 pixels and that they kind of line up to each other. Once we're done with this, we can share as PNGs, but you can use I guess TIFFs or JPEGs. It's up to you. We're gonna use PNGs for these video series, so share these with yourself, and I will also have these on the video themselves so that you can like use them if you want to follow along. But remember, you can just take my advice and run with it. So yeah, this is done pretty much. In the next video, like I said before, I'm going to show you how to set up your Blender so we can easily get 3D modeling this cat, and we'll go from there. All right, thank you for listening, and I hope this works.